Good afternoon, friends. Today we discuss applications of trigonometry problems. Yesterday, before video, we already discussed about types of angles. One is the elevation angle, second is the depression angle. The two angles we can use it here. Exercise 12, second problem we can see here. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends, so the top of the tree touches the ground by making 30 degrees angle with the ground. The distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree on the ground is 6 centimeters. Find the height of the tree before falling down. Okay, students. Now we can see solution of this question. Okay, we can see the solution here. Data we can write first. First we can draw a figure with the help of given in the data in the question. See here, A to C dash, this total height of the tree, that is h units, h meters. Now his B to C dash dot line have that here broken the part of this one. B to C dash is broken and that broken part is landing to the earth. This is BC is the broken part of the tree. That angle here 30 degrees. This total data given in the question. In the broken part of the tree here landing, that landing point C and ground on the tree earth length between these 2 points equals to 60 meters. Okay, friends. Now we can write the data here. AC dash, that means here to here total height of the tree, that is before falling the tree. Now AB is after falling, the falling part is landing on the earth, remain tree is the here, AB is the remaining height of the tree. Now BC is the broken part of the tree landing on the earth. Now AC is the distance between foot of the tree and landing of the tree. Okay, touches, that broken part is touches on the earth here. See, this A is the foot of the tree, these two are the distance between 6 meters, that equals to AC equals to distance between foot and tree 6 meters. Foot and touches on the broken part. Okay, friends, first one here. Now we can find out total height of the tree. First one, this BC is the broken part of the tree. We will find this one. First one, in the triangle ABC, angle C is equal to 30 degrees. Cos 30 equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here AC is the adjacent side, BC is the hypotenuse. Cos 30 value root 3 by 2 equals to AC. Adjacent side is 6 centimeters, 6 meters by BC equals to H1 units. H1 meters. Now cross multiplication, root 3 H1 equals to 12. That gives to H1 equals to 12 by root 3. This is the first equation. That reason we will find H1, that means broken part of the tree, and remain this AB is the remain part of the tree. We will find out opposite side to adjacent side. We will take tan theta here. Now tan 30 degrees equals to AB by AC, opposite side by adjacent side. Now tan 30 value 1 by root 3, AB is equal to H2 by AC is equal to 6 meters. Now cross multiplication, H2 root 3 equals to 6, that gives to H2 equals to 6 by root 3. This is the second equation. Now height of the total tree, broken part and remain tree, 1 plus 2 is the total height of the tree. Now first equation is 12 by root 3 plus second equation is 6 by root 3. Okay, 12 by root 3 is the height of the distance of the broken part. 6 by root 3 is the remaining after broken the tree height. We will get these two LCM root 3, 12 plus 6 by root 3, that means reason 18 by root 3. Now root 3 rationalization doing here, 18 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3, we will get 18 root 3 by root 3 into root 3 3. Now see 3 ones are 3 3 6 are 6 root 3 meters of total height of the tree. Now therefore 6 root 3 is the, before falling the brokening part, the total height of the tree equals to 6 root 3 meters. Okay students.